Good morning, students. Today we'll see the topic application software. Application software is used to perform a specific task in a computer, or we can say to complete a particular work in a computer, we use application software. This software can be installed or uninstalled from the computer depending on our requirements. Application software can be categorized into two categories: general purpose application software and specific purpose application software. General purpose application software. These software are used by the large number of people. So let's see some of the general purpose application software. Word processing software. If we want to write anything on a computer, like letters, stories, applications, so we use word processing software. MS Word and WordPad are the example of word processing software. Spreadsheet software. If we want to make some calculations, manipulations and analysis on the data, so we use spreadsheet software. Like if you want to make some calculation on the numbers, or if you want to make budget of the month, so we use spreadsheet software. MS Excel and Lotus 123 are example of spreadsheet software. Database Management System or DBMS. This software is used to store large amount of data in an organized manner. Like if you want to store the details or information of all the employees of an organization, so we use DBMS software. Oracle and MS Access are the example of database software. Desktop publishing software. This software is used for creating designs and layouts of books, journals, brochures, and newspapers. Adobe Photoshop, PageMaker, CorelDRAW are example of desktop publishing software. The next is graphic software. This software is used to work with images. Means we can edit image with the help of this software. Adobe Photoshop and Paint program are the example of graphic software. Multimedia software. This software is used for entertainment purpose, like gaming software, Windows Media Player, etc. Presentation software. This software is used to create and design slideshow and make presentation. MS PowerPoint is an example of presentation software. So these all were general purpose application software. Now we see specific application software. This software is developed keeping in mind the requirements of an organization or an individuals. Or we can say this customized software. A reservation system at the airports and railway stations are example of specific application software.